My little runaway, run, 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 run away. Run, 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 run away. Run, 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 run away. Run, 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 run away. Run, run, run away.
Thank you! All right.
Right.
Thank you. Good boy, Dave.
That's David.
Yeah.
Yeah. Wow, that's nice, huh?
That's their business, huh?
Yeah.
Oh, that's your song,
Oh,
yeah.
Hello, everybody. And so I came, gotta find a birthday.
Yeah.
My friend, I see clear. I speak my game, of which I'm sitting. I live a life that's full. I travel east and every highway and move toward a dream I didn't rest. I had you, but can again took you to measure. I did what I could do, and it stood true without intention. I'm glad it's starting I started to believe I'll never find the world. face into kiss. Said you can win, I don't know so.
Hit it.
One day the sun came shining through. I showed compassion and said to me, a stroke of love for you. I wanted a million you. Lonely man with empty arms, that I found a piece of happiness called my own. Life is worth living again. To love you to me is to live. A one in a million. Chance of a lifetime. And life showed compassion and said to me, a stroke of love called you.
One more time. One in a million.
All the things that please us coming apart at the seams. We try to talk it over, but the words come out too rough. I know you were lying to give you the best of your love. Beautiful faces, loud empty places. Look at the way that we live, wasting our time on cheap talk and wine. Left us so little to give. That same old crowd was like a cold dark cloud that we could never rise above. But here in my heart, I give you the best of my love. Oh, 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 sweet darling,
All right, man.
you get the best of my love. Oh, 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 sweet darling, you got the best of my love. I'm going back in time, and it was sweet dreams. It was a quiet night, and I would be alright if I could go on sleeping. But every morning I wake up and worry what's gonna happen today. You see it your way, and I see it mine, but we both see it slipping away. You know we always